Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious enchiladas de Camaron. We'll start by gathering all our essential ingredients, ensuring everything is fresh and ready. This includes about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, a dozen corn tortillas, and your preferred enchilada sauce. We'll also prepare a vibrant filling with sautéed vegetables and have cheese and garnishes on hand. Getting organized now makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's create our flavorful shrimp filling. Begin by peeling and deveining approximately 1 pound of fresh, medium-sized shrimp. Then, in a skillet, sauté finely diced onions, colorful bell peppers, and minced garlic until they become wonderfully tender and fragrant. Add the prepared shrimp to the pan, cooking them quickly for just 2 to 3 minutes until they turn a beautiful pink. Finally, combine the cooked shrimp with the sautéed vegetables and a pinch of your favorite spices. Now comes the fun part, assembling your enchiladas. First, gently warm about a dozen corn tortillas. You can do this quickly in a little oil or even in the microwave to make them pliable. Next, dip each warm tortilla into your enchilada sauce, ensuring it's lightly coated and softened. Place about 2 generous tablespoons of our delicious shrimp filling down the center of each tortilla. Carefully roll them up tightly and arrange them seam down in a baking dish. Finally, let's get these delicious enchiladas ready for the oven and your table. Pour any remaining enchilada sauce evenly over the rolled tortillas in the baking dish. Then, generously sprinkle about 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese over the top. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Serve hot, garnished with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or creamy avocado slices. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.